figured out what was going on with the junction box. Can you see? It's not wiggling. But anyway, what the problem was whoever put this thing up there. Don't ask me. And then, nope, it wasn't me. But whoever put it up there, yeah, it wasn't right. So we had to fix it. We had to fix it because that rocking ceiling fan situation wasn't going to work. I'm telling you, that thing's rocking so much, you was like scared it's going to fall on the table or something. Like, great, dang. But, so my point is, if you notice that your ceiling fan is just moving too much, you know, and again, you're not comfortable with messing with it, go ahead and make that call. Get your electrician to come look at it, because 9 times out of 10, you know, it's something that can be fixed on fairly quickly and not something that's expensive, you know. Thankfully for that. And that's I always say, you know, I'm not advocating for anybody to be a Miss or Mr. DIY like myself. So see, we got it now. All right. So let me go ahead and put the ceiling fan back together. And as I was trying to figure out what to do before I got back with you guys, I actually decided, well, you'll see what I decided. You know, ain't no need in killing the element of surprise. So just hang in there with me. Go ahead and put my motor back up. Same way I took it down. Put the screws in the other hand. Same way. So there's a bracket and a hook. Well, a loop and a hook, or however you want to say it. Okay, I got 3 hands. So you just move all the wires out the way. Feed it through one and lash it into the other. Whew. Makes a big difference. Especially when you're working by yourself, you know. You ain't got to try to fight all that stuff by yourself. So, alright, make sure I got all my little screws. Alright. Put them back. Let's go ahead and secure at least 2 of them, you know. Last thing you want is for more to come down in your face and give you a little one-on-one. You don't want that. All right. Let's get the other screw. Put those over here. 2. Them over there. And these right here.